What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back again on the pickup. Today we got a pair of shoes or piece of footwear coming straight from Adidas. These are, of course, none other than Adidas Purechill Runners. Now, these things are retailing at $75, and they are on sale if you use the discount code. So this right here is possibly one of the best things you can buy for this Black Friday. So without further ado, let's take a look and see what we got. So if you get these for retail, which is $75, you get a shoe that looks just like this, or a piece of footwear that looks just like this. I was able to get my pair with the discount for $60 shipped, and I'll be honest, that is a steal. Retail's a steal. Either price you get these for is going to be a steal. These are extremely comfortable. This right here is a mixture of style and performance. That's exactly what you want for a casual shoe. Now, I will be honest, this color does not look exactly how I thought it was going to look. I didn't think it was going to look so white. I was thinking it'd be more of like the 3D printed colorway that I had earlier, but nonetheless, I still love this shoe. Now the fitting on this thing is a little bit crazy. These things do run big. You guys can't tell by the size of this box, but I have another box just to show you guys. This box right here is a size 10. This is the shoe box for a 10.5. You see that? Did a video on these a while back. Pretty good shoe, but yeah, it's like these are a 10.5. and these are a 10. And the crazy thing is, when I had it in my cart, it said 10.5. But oddly enough, that's how these fit. I mean, these apparently there must have been a glitch in the system. So if you're seeing this video now, definitely use the code that I use, and you should be able to get these for a discounted price. Well, that may be what it is. Yeah. So these shoes are labeled as a core white on the upper, core black on the 3 stripes, and then core black right here at the bottom. You have the Adidas branding right here. You have the 3 stripes, Adidas branding, and then on the inside you have the Adidas branding with the logo. These are, of course, EVA foams. These fit just like the mules where they run big. These are a size 10, and like I said, I'm comfortable. These shoes are very breathable, good amount of space. You can tell right here through the holes. And on the inside, nothing too crazy. I think there's just some marking to tell you what the sizes are. Let's see if we can focus in on this. Get the flash on. Guys, see that? So, made in Vietnam, size 10. And you see the number 10 right there as well. Beautiful shoe, very, very comfortable. Now, the only takeaway is the traction. It's not a lot of traction on this shoe, not a lot. But at the same time, we're not playing ball. We're wearing these casually, and if we had to run, well, we probably could. I don't know if I would run a mile or anything like that, but I mean, you could run in these theoretically and still be nice and comfortable. But definitely get your pair of these. I'm definitely gonna get the black pair. I haven't decided if I want to keep this colorway and get the black pair, but I will get the black pair. You know, for $60, I can't complain. What a steal. And since we're talking about Black Friday, if you're watching this video, what's going to follow it is going to be this video right here. I got these on sale as well. This is a new piece of tech, but this is all I'm going to give you guys. So you guys stay tuned for this video. These are coming up next right after these. I got both of these on sale. So question is, can you put these on with no hands? Yeah, you could. But I think it'd be a lot easier just to use your hands, just to slip these on. And then as far as the height boost, don't expect too much with these. I want to say roughly about an inch. I see my foot is probably about right there, roughly about an inch. But yeah, these are fairly responsive, and you can slip these things off with no hands, no problem. And as I said before, I am usually a size 10, and just exactly how far. So roughly, you guys see that? Right about 11 inches from the front of the shoe to the back of the shoe on the inside. And then the width at its furthest point, right around 3.5, conservatively. So to give you an idea how these feel. And again, these are a size US 10, so love these things.